Are you wanting to stay home and make money online up to $100 per day? If you are, stick around, this video is for you. My name is Karen, and in this video you'll learn about 10 different websites where you can make up to $100 per day or more. And I want you to stick around until the end because the last two are ones that I've made good money with. One of them you can make money by answering questions. The other one you can make money by copying and pasting ads. So if you're excited about this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below, make money online. We are 10 websites away from you making money, and we're getting started right now. Okay, the first website I want to share with you is called Pantry.com. So let's go ahead and take a look here. If you come over here to Pantry.com, you can see there's different categories. We're going to talk about how to earn money. They also have how to save money and free stuff. And I wanted to mention to you before we get to the part about earning money that, of course, if you are able to save money every month, that's like earning money. So if you find a way to save money on the things that you're already doing, then you can earn maybe an extra couple $100 a month. And I wanted to share with you a book that I got as a wedding gift, actually from my sister, I think it was. It's called the Tightwad Gazette, and I would highly recommend this book if you're looking for ways to save money on things that you're already doing. It's an excellent book. You can see the ratings here. I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video if you want to check this out, but it definitely has helped me to be able to save a lot of money on things that I'm already doing. So what we want to do next is we want to go to moneypantry.com/get paid to write. And this is how you're going to learn how you can make money with this site. And you can see that you can get paid to write $50 all the way up to $3,000 per blog post. If we scroll down to the table of contents here, you can see all the different sites that you can write post for. You can write these short articles and you can get paid anywhere from, like I said, $50 to $3,000 depending on the publication. So if we scroll down, if you like to travel, you could write about travel. If we scroll down below this, you'll see that there's some sites that you can get paid to write. This one is vacation and travel, up to $150 per post. But there's certain sites on here that will pay you to write about general interest. So if we scroll down, this one here, sites that pay to write about general interest would be Vibrant Life. So you can get paid anywhere from $100 to $300 per post. And you can write about any topic that you like. So definitely check out Vibrant Life. And this is where it talks about the guidelines. And if you scroll down, you can see the pay is anywhere from $100 to $300. And so definitely check this out. It's a great way that you can make money writing. So that's the first site. And I did want to mention to you, if you're thinking to yourself, oh, I could never be a writer, because a lot of people say I'm not good at writing. Well, just like anything else, you can get better at it. And a place that you can go to learn how to write articles is called Udemy.com. If we go here and learn how to write articles, just type that in. And then if you scroll down to the price and just click on free, you can find different articles that are completely free. How to make a living writing articles, make money online, starting to write, proven strategies, how to write an article for your success. And these are all completely free. And I would say go ahead and go through here and take these courses, practice, and you'll get better at it, and you'll be able to earn even more money because you're going to be even better writer. So that's the first site. The second one is writersaccess.com. So let's take a look at this one right here. What you're going to do here when you get here is you're going to hover over how it works and then click on For Freelancers. And you can apply. Now it's free. We're going to click on that. But it depends on how good you are at writing and how difficult the task is as to how much you're going to get paid. we're going to scroll down here and just take a look at the pay, but you're going to get paid anywhere from 3 cents to $2 a word, depending on the star rating and, again, how difficult the article is to write. So that does pay to get better at writing. So you can see the simple projects, you're going to get paid 2 cents a word, but all the way up to these harder tasks here, you're going to get paid the $2 per word, which is a lot of money, but definitely something where you can make some really good money. So definitely check out writersaccess.com. And before we get to number 3, if you are enjoying this content, you want to hang out with me more and learn more about how to make money online and make your life better, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Let's go ahead and get on to number 3, which is onlinewritingjobs.com. So if we go over here on the left-hand side where it says Become a Writer, you can take a look at the frequently asked questions. And then you do get paid $50 per article for this one here. And so you'll just apply now, and then that way you can submit your information and be able to write for this particular site, onlinewritingjobs.com. All right, and let's take a look at number 4. That is Listfirstcom, and that one will pay you $100 per article. And you can see the different topics here. There's quite a wide range of topics. If you go over to more, it'll say Write for Us. You just click on that, and then that'll talk about how you can get published for free, the rules, and just scroll through there and go ahead and apply there. And before we get to number 5, if you want to know my number 1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. And let's go ahead with number 5 is Latium.org. And let's go to that site right here. What you're going to do here is click on I Want to Work. This is a freelancer site that pays really, really well. And you can sign up for free. And after you sign up, you're going to go to Browse Projects and see what kind of projects people need done. And you can see on the left-hand side here, it's in different categories. I will say they do pay in cryptocurrency as well as the United States dollar. And you can just see what the different currencies are for different tasks. Create a website, $5 to $25. But if we go over here and you look at translation and languages, you can see that a lot of people need articles or videos translated. So let's see here, the different projects they have in here, but they can definitely pay you a lot of money. Let's see. This is US dollars, translate in credit sequence. I think this one I checked on it was a video. So you have to just look at the project here and see, is it video or is it text that they need translated? But if it's text, then what you can do is, of course, you can go to Google Translator, but another site that you want to check out is called Ginger.com, and you just upload this, download this to your computer, and then you would type in, let's say you are going to do this, something like that, and then you would click on Translate, and you can translate it into several different languages here. So let's just say you wanted to translate that into Czechoslovakian, it would do it just like that. So if you had some sort of article or text that you needed to translate, you could come over to here and do this automatically. So that's a way that you can make money if it is in text. But you can see there's a lot of different projects here that you could pick from. So you just have to read through again and see what the requirements are. Translate a play copyright from English to Spanish. So they do pay really good. on this site, so I wanted to let you know about that. Okay, number 6 is textbroker.com, and I actually signed up for this one myself. But if you go here where it says I write content, and I'll just show you an idea of what the pay is, but you're going to have to submit an article, and they will give you a star rating. I think I got a 3-star to start with, so that would only be 1 cent a word, but you can get better and submit it again, and then you can get up to 5-star rating, which is going to be, let's see, if you calculate your earnings down here, let's say you did a 1,000 word article, you get paid $50, and of course if you write something for 2,000, you'll get paid the $100. So this is a really great site to check out as well. They're very reputable. They've been around for a long time. So check out textbroker.com. And the next one is, I love this one, is called airtasker.com. So let's take a look at this one. But basically, you have different tasks. Some of them can be done online. Some of them have to be done in person. But what you want to do here is you're going to browse tasks and just see what's in there. But you want to sign up to become a tasker, earn up to $5,000 a month as an air tasker. And you're basically your own contractor for different projects that people have. So if we want to browse the task here, this is going to be, I live in Las Vegas, so this is going to be in my area here. But you can see they range from $20 to $30 all the way up to $900 if you want to remove someone's tree. So this is a great place to find different projects that people have in your area. This one here is remote, so of course you don't have to be there. Create a new resume, that's $100. Revise my cover letter, $80. Photoshop project for company website. So there's a lot of different opportunities here to make money, and some really good money here as well. So I wanted to mention Airtasker to you, so definitely check that one out. iWriter.com is another site that you can go to write content. So if you come here and click on write content, that is going to take you to an application. This one here, they only are accepting writers from North America, Europe, and Australia. So if you're outside of that, this will not work for you, but you will turn in your application and then they give you a decision within 2 weeks. They'll have to write 200 words here so they can get an idea of how well that you write. So that is number 8. Number 9, this is really great. It's called focusgroups.org. And if you've never been part of a focus group, basically companies need to know opinions of people, and so they can help create products or services. I had done some focus groups. I know one of them I got paid $100 to just talk to them about dog food because I had a dog. And so if we go here, you're going to sign up for free, of course. And I have 73 available studies that I could take part in, or I can at least apply to see if I would be accepted. But you can see that, and these are done online. You can have payouts anywhere from $200, looks like $60, $50. Online focus groups focusing on social media, $100 to $150. So they do pay very well, and it's not difficult to do. I remember when I did the one on dog food, I was just answering some questions, and I got paid $100. So it's really easy to do, and you can see that there's a lot, and there's no limit on the amount that you can apply for. So just go in here. I've applied for a lot, and you don't have to have any specific. Some of them do have specific qualifications, like one of these on the medical, you have to be a doctor. So, but most of these you do not have to have any specific qualifications. So that's a really great site to check out. And then the last one I wanted to talk about is copy and paste ads. This one is an exception. It is not free. So, but I did want to mention it to you because you can earn some really good money with this particular site. What you're going to do is copy and paste ads to different sites. Now, what they show you is there's 100 different places to advertise, and you can see these sites combined get over 1 billion visits every single month. And I think a lot of people sleep on advertisements online because there are lots of people, obviously, that go to these sites looking for specific things, and this is a business opportunity, but it is very easy to do. You don't have to talk to anybody. You're just copying and pasting ads. And they do show you how to post on Craigslist as well, and it's another really great place to get leads and sales. And every time you get a lead and a sale, you will get $100. Now, this is not like you're working for a company, you're working for yourself. So you have to have that work ethic and know that the more you post, the more money you're going to make. So let's say that you put aside 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes at night, and you went into these 100 places to advertise and you posted your ad. You're definitely going to get traffic, you're going to get leads. I can't guarantee any sales, but I'll tell you, people that do that have made sales. And they're going to give you sample ads to place. You're not even going to have to figure out what to write. They have all the graphics for you. They have the wording and everything. So you basically just copy and paste. And so I wanted to mention this to you because it is another great way that you can make money online. And if you want to get started with copy and paste ads, that's going to be the second link in the description below this video. So you can check that one out. And when we're talking about writing, you're wondering, like, where can I find content? Well, it's just kind of like when you do a research project for school. You have to go and find different information and you put it together in your own words, and that's what you're going to do. Great place to find content is called Quora.com. So let's say I had typed in how to get in shape in 30 days. Let's say you're going to write an article for something about fitness, and you think, how am I going to write something about that? Well, look at all these articles in here. You can take, I mean, obviously you're not going to copy it, but you can take inspiration from it, get ideas of what they talked about, their different points, and then you can make it into your own article and be able to submit it. And again, look at Udemy.com to see how do you put this together. It's just like learning any other skill. You can become good at writing, I promise you. And then if you want to learn some other sites on how to get paid to write, all you need to do is go to Google and type in how to get paid to write articles. So this is a great way that you can find other sites. There's just lots of different sites out there that you can find to get paid to write, and they do pay very, very well. Hope you can go out there and take these ideas and make some really good money. Don't think that you can't do this, because anything out there, you can learn how to do it. You can learn these skills. And remember, Michael Jordan got cut from the high school basketball team, so yeah, he learned how to play basketball. You guys can learn how to do this. And if you like this video, I think you'll really like this video coming up. $54 per hour work from home for shy people, and that's getting started right now. Are you shy but still want to make money online? Well, this video's for you.